Hey, look what I just got from my cousin in Switzerland. It's actually a Swiss Army knife, and he's listening right now, and it was from his mom, and she is my second cousin, and he's my third cousin. And look at that. It's a beautiful Swiss Army knife blade. So that's the bigger blade. The smaller blade is right here. There you go.
My wife said it's for little stabs.
My wife said it's for what?
Little stabs.
Little stabs. It's for little stabs.
Stabbing little people.
And then it has a can opener. So this is for opening cans, right? You can tell that's the cutting side of the can opener right there, and you grip the edge, and it's slightly offset. So you do and you cut, you go EU, and you cut it open. So I bet you I can use this for watchmaking. I bet you there's watchmaking stuff in there. And then this side here is a screwdriver right here, and then a beer opener. This is absolutely a beer opener. And then there's a little edge here is probably for something, but I don't know what it is. So I'm not sure what that little notch is for right there. So those Swiss Army people are amazing. And then there is a wine opener, because when you're in the field and you're fighting battles in Switzerland, the Alps, and you run into a bottle of wine, you just have to open it up. That's all you got to do. And actually, there's another thing here. I didn't even see that before. Oh my goodness, look at this. Hold on, let me see if I can get this out without slicing my fingers off. This is some kind of an edge. I'm not sure what this is. I think you're gonna have to write me and let me know what the heck you think this is. Yeah, this looks pretty lethal though. It's for cutting something, I believe. So, and then last but not least, we got some cute little things on the edge here. So if I pull out on the tab here, like that, it goes, and you got yourself a set of tweezers. Look at that, so you can tweeze stuff. If that's a verb. Anyway, you can tweeze stuff with your Swiss Army knife, and that tucks in right there, like that. And the last thing, when you're in the field and you're all tired and you have a long day with all the dirt and you got to pick your nose, this is the device right here you can use for picking your nose. Look at that, very nice nose picker. So this is an official Swiss Army knife. My cousin from Switzerland gave me this. It's actually gorgeous, and I can figure out a million things to do with this. So thank you very much, cousin. I'm not going to say any names on YouTube, but this is actually from my cousin who visited from Switzerland. A multi-purpose Swiss Army knife. Italy.